Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing, or should I say unpackaging, my Superx Red Ranger Power Rangers gym short shirt long sleeve. Let's get into it. Alright, the first item I'm unboxing is the Red Ranger long sleeve Tyrannosaurus Rex power coin on the back. And it comes with the officially licensed card. Back says 1 of 999. Does that mean I got the first one? On to the next. Yep, officially licensed merchandise card. Bought these. They had a bundle deal, so I got these for much cheaper than they were. Right now they're still on their website. The long sleeve is $69. Shorts are $49. The Red Ranger helmet. It's the tank top, which is more like a muscle tank if you ask me. And it's a size small. Everything I got is a size small, so I usually wear a small or medium depending on what I eat. I'm just kidding. I don't, depending on the week, right? It has a power coin, the Tyrannosaurus Rex power coin. This also has pockets. This has pockets in the front, which is really cool. Feels very lightweight. I absolutely love this. You could totally tell it was constructed very well. Suit on completely with the tank top under. It fits perfect. This is small, it's very stretchy. I definitely recommend you picking up one of these suits if you could get your hands on it. Go to superx.com. Yeah. Alright, Ranger out. Bye.